the learning series on Microsoft Fabric. My name is Nagasai Krishna. I work as a cloud solution architect, Microsoft in data and AI platform. In this video, we are going to speak about the basics, the introduction for Microsoft Fabric. We will talk about the importance of data and the challenges the organizations are facing, the business case for Microsoft Fabric, the different experiences that are available in Fabric, and how does the compute work in Microsoft Fabric. For every organization, data is now truly driving digital transformations, from creating delightful customer experiences and enhancing employee productivity to generate operational efficiencies. But it is not just the raw data itself. It is the integrated insights and intelligence that can be activated across an entire connected organization. The research shows only 32% of organizations reported being able to realize the tangible and measurable value from the data as of today. So all the organizations that evolved around the data estate are facing the following challenges. The first and foremost, the data is in different silos. The analytics are getting performed using multiple products from different vendors. So the integration across these products is becoming challenge and also expensive. Scaling the data analytics is becoming the other difficult or challenge for organizations. And also performance and scalability in these data analytics had become definitely a bigger challenge for organizations. So what Microsoft thought about these challenges is they developed a product called Microsoft Fabric, which is an end-to-end analytics platform that provides a single integrated environment for data professionals and also business to collaborate on these data projects. Fabric provides a set of integrated services that enables the customers to ingest, store, process, and analyze the data in one single environment. So you have Microsoft Fabric developed as a SaaS product, software as a solution, and Fabric provides tools for various different activities and integrations, basically for business to make the decisions on the data. We have data engineering services, data integration services, data warehousing services, real-time analytics services, data science services, and also business intelligence service. All of these is developed under one SaaS product, which is called as Microsoft Fabric. What is the business case for this Microsoft Fabric? The main important thing as of today, as we spoke, all the organizations are facing challenge because scalable analytics can be complex, they are fragmented and expensive. But with the help of Microsoft Fabric, we need not spend all our time combining various services from different vendors. Instead, we can use one single product that is easy to understand and easy to set up, create, and manage. Microsoft Fabric offers data stored in one single open format called OneLake, and that OneLake is accessible by all the analytical engines in the platform. That is all the integration challenges around data integration are addressed by this. And Fabric offers scalability and cost effectiveness, accessibility to the data from anywhere with an internet connection. And we can set up continuous updates and maintenance provided by Microsoft. On top of all of this, Fabric has tight security and governance provided by service Microsoft Purview. These are all the experiences that are available within Microsoft Fabric. Basically, Fabric is the combination of three main services of Microsoft Azure Cloud. One is Azure Data Factory. Second one is Azure Synapse Analytics. Third one is Power BI. Together, they developed one SaaS product, software as a solution product called Microsoft Fabric. So we have ADF, which is basically data integration service, combining the Power Query with scale of Azure Data Factory to move and transform the data. We have Synapse Data Engineering. It is a Spark platform for data transformation at scale. Data Warehouse, which is Synapse Data Warehouse, with industry leading SQL performance and scale to support data that is getting used. Synapse Data Science with Azure Machine Learning and Spark for model training and execution tracking in scalable environment. Synapse Real-Time Analytics, it is used to query and analyze large volumes of data in real time. Power BI is the business intelligence service for translating data to business decisions. All of these are under SaaS Foundation, and all the data related to any of these service will be redirected to just like uh, OneDrive was there for M365 application suite. For Microsoft Fabric, we have a storage solution called OneLake, which is developed on top of your Azure Data Lake store. So all the compute, so if you look at Synapse engineering, data engineering, or warehousing, data science, all of these compute will be using various different ways, like engineering can use Spark notebooks, and they can connect with the Lakehouse data store. Warehousing can use T-SQL. Real-time analytics can use Kusto queries, and they can access CustoDB. Power BI can use analysis services under the data set. However, all the data stores, either it is warehouse, lakehouse, CustoDB, or dataset, are getting stored under one unified way called OneLake. Common analytics scenarios. Lakehouse. Microsoft Fabric provides two ways of providing the analytics. One, all unstructured, semi-structured, or structured data can be brought to the Microsoft Fabric service called Lakehouse Data Store using pipelines or data flows. Also, Microsoft Fabric offers let your let your data be in their original location, avoid the data movement, and use the concept of shortcuts and perform your analytics from the lakehouse. Map your original data from its original location using the shortcut, map it to the lakehouse. Perform the transformations using either notebooks or data flows, and the results can be routed to either Power BI or Lake Warehouse. The same thing goes with data warehouse as part of common analytic scenarios. If you have data source which is shortcut enabled, you can mount that directly onto warehouse data store, or the structured unstructured data can be ingested using pipelines or data flows to the warehouse data store and perform the transformations, get the results to Power BI or warehouse. Data science component uses the data from sources like lakehouse or warehouses using the notebooks and then get the data to the data store called data lakehouse and then apply the machine learning models and perform the experiments and get the results redirected to Power BI or Lake Warehouse. Real-time analytics gets the data from lake houses, warehouse, structured or unstructured data. Data can be ingested, or event streaming data can be ingested, or machine learning models data can be ingested to the store called CustoDB. On CustoDB, you can actually perform Custo queries or Power BI queries or notebooks to retrieve the data. Thank you.